Welcome to the stunning 184 Whitman Alley in the sought-after Wilson Green Subdivision. A planned unit development boasting a community clubhouse and pool. Inside, be welcomed by a floor plan that flows throughout the main level with a cozy living room featuring a gas fireplace leading into a spacious main level retreat with primary bath featuring LVP flooring, a separate soaking tub and shower, a private water closet, double vanities and a walk-in closet. The chef's kitchen is a culinary dream with new white shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, pantry cabinet, stylish mosaic backsplash and matching four-legged work island. Plenty of room for a farm table or large dining table in the bright and spacious dining area. The laundry closet is conveniently located in the kitchen area for centralized function. And a second main level bedroom with its own bath adorns the rear of the home for guest or home office use. Upstairs are two more bedrooms with a full bathroom to serve the floor. Walk-in attic space provides additional storage and access to the central HVAC unit. True two-car garage with individual doors with just one step into the house for easy access. A large covered back porch is perfect for relaxing or entertaining, featuring access to the rear alleyway. Beautifully maintained interior with thoughtful details and upgrades throughout. Schedule your private tour today and see the charm of 184 Whitman Alley for yourself.